Hundreds of local nurses plan to hit the picket line in a historic strike.
Nurses at Henry Ford Rochester Hospital plan to walk off the job at 7 this morning and remain on strike until Friday. This is the first strike in Henry Ford Health's 110-year history.
And 7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall is joining us live at Henry Ford Rochester Hospital, raising the voices of nurses. And he also has a response from Henry Ford Hospital. Ryan, what are the nurses demanding with the strike?
Well, good morning, guys. And they are certainly demanding to try to help the nurse understaffing. They've been trying to negotiate a contract, the hospital and its nurses, because there hasn't been a new contract in the last 3 years. But those contract negotiations, they deteriorated. And now hundreds of nurses are certainly planning to picket. Over 350 of them, in fact, those registered nurses here at Henry Ford Rochester Hospital will strike beginning at 7 a.m. this morning and will picket up until Saturday, June 14th at 7 a.m. Now, the hospital says it's the first strike in their 110-year history. Now, the Office and Professional Employees International Union, or OPEIU Local 40, is the union representing those nurses. They say they're picketing for better nurse-to-patient ratios to help reduce nurse understaffing. Now, that's the number of patients a nurse is responsible for at any given time. The union wants mandated staffing ratios in the new contract, but the hospital says they staff their hospitals based off of patient volumes along with other factors, and that mandated staffing ratios hinder their ability to adapt to varying patient conditions. Here's Union President Dina Carlisle.
No one wins in a strike. We want to safely serve our patients, and that's why we're doing this. This local stands for safe staffing. I mean, I'm very proud to represent nurses who care so much about serving their community.
Now, Henry Ford Rochester Hospital released a statement that says, in part, quote, Henry Ford Rochester Hospital will remain open to the community. We have a plan in place to ensure the highest standard of care and safety for our patients and team members. We believe strongly that the offer we've made to our nurses is a fair, competitive, and thoughtful investment in our future. But in the meantime, the hospital says that they have hired contract nurses to prevent staffing disruptions during this strike. We're here live at Henry Ford Hospital here in Rochester. I'm Ryan Marshall for 7 News Detroit This Morning.